Welcome to the Pyramids of Giza, one of the 7 wonders of the world. This is the new entrance, located on the opposite side of the Giza entrance. The taxi drops you off here, and once inside, there are buses running continuously that take you around. To buy the tickets, there is only one official website. I've left the link in the description along with the prices. They are estimated to be around 6,000 years old, and in total there are 3 large pyramids, Khafre, Khufu, and Menkaure, and 6 smaller ones. Without a doubt, an impressive feat of engineering. Out of all my trips, Egypt, along with the Pyramids of Giza, was without a doubt the most impressive. The first time you see the pyramids, you feel overwhelmed by their magnitude. Don't worry about the walk to the king's chamber. It's a safe and straightforward route. At the beginning, you'll need to crouch for about 30 meters, but soon you'll reach a tall, spacious corridor, the impressive Grand Gallery, where you can walk comfortably. Inside, the temperature is around 45 degrees or even higher, and the air feels quite heavy. Even so, I can honestly say it's an experience that is truly worth it. The stone cutting is truly incredible. Even today, I'm still amazed not only by the scale of the construction, but also by the precision, the angles, and the perfection of the details.